channel Explore with Isabel. Today we are here at Kelly Park. We are about to enter on a trail. So let's see what's in store for us. We have a map here, and this is the trail, the yellow. That's called the Kelly Loop Trail, and it's 1.5 miles. So let's go and start and see what adventure comes to us. What just happened? Oh no! That's what happened! You can find a lot of these pine cones over here. Most of them are open, but maybe some of them will be closed. You can hear the birds chirping if you listen. Look at the tree behind me. It's bended on over the path. It creates an arch, which is a perfect photo opportunity. We took a picture, and then we moved on to see what else was in store. This is the actual spring in the Kelly Springs Park. The water is about 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. If you want to relax, the water is a perfect place to do it. You can see people floating by on tubes every once in a while. You can go on your back, or you can bring your own, as long as it's less than 5 feet wide and 5 feet long. We're still on the Kelly Loop Trail. This is still part of it. We have finished almost half of the Kelly Loop Trail. So now let's finish what's left. Do you see the otter? There are 1, 2, 3 of them. This path is very peaceful, and it also provides a shaded place. Kelly Loop Trail goes, there are these signs with yellow markers on them. They point towards where the trail is. We walked for a lot, and we're also kind of tired. So we're almost about to end too. So once we finish, we're going to go for some lunch, I guess. Phew! We almost made it! Phew! We made it! This is the end of the Kelly Loop Trail. We're done with lunch, and it's about noon, so now it's the perfect time to go into the cool water. We rented some tubes so we can use them because we didn't bring our own. This is the beginning of where you can start tubing. The water in these springs are transparent with a light blue color. This is my brother jumping out of the water and back in. The current is kind of strong, but my brother really got the rock. After that, my 74-year-old grandpa decided to jump off, shocking us all. And he made it. Next is my turn, or maybe not. I'm not going to jump into that current, so I made a wise decision to go into the tube and have my dad push me to the other side. Whee! So, my grandpa pushed me off, and off I am. Where did she come from? all the plant life here. It's beautiful. It's also not that hot either. It's a good escape from hectic life elsewhere. You don't even need to do anything. The current will push you on your way. Sometimes though, you need to pay attention to your surroundings and maybe try to steer away if you're about to hit someone. Now you have a surprise. 3, 2, 1. Look at the view from under the water. Explore and enjoy. This is the underwater view of the bridge. It looks so much different than the overwater view. Who's that that's coming here? Oh, that's my brother! Now here comes the Godzilla version of my dad. Even the fish are scared of him. Next up is me. I can't come down! The next performance is my mom's, who freaks out when she sees water that's higher than her ankle level. But we managed to convince her to get in the tube and to come with us for one round. And she's surprisingly enjoying it more than anyone else. The moral of the story is that you don't need to know how to swim to come to Kelly Springs Park, as long as there are people who know how to swim around you. End of the tubing area. The other side is for canoeing and kayaking. The current goes to only one side, so no, it would be very hard to swim back, and besides, it's not allowed. It takes around 25 minutes to get from one side to the other, and sadly, you have to go and walk with your tube for 10 minutes to get back to the beginning. But since it's so much fun, we took loads of trips. And we took some photos along the way. So if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye!